Good morning, readers. Today, we're going to be reading an example of a personal narrative. You might remember last week we talked about personal narratives are stories that are personal to you, your own story. We learned that stories should be short. They should be a story that happened in one day or even a couple of minutes, not a whole life story. Today we're going to look at an example of a personal narrative that I have here. What I want you to think about while I read to you is what is the author doing in their writing to make it so engaging? Sorry, my washer is very loud. The name of this story is Keep an Eye on the Sky. I was in gym class when my teacher suggested we go outside and play softball. As we made our way out onto the field, my stomach slowly turned into a giant knot of fear. Softball is just not my game. I have a knack for always getting hit in the head by the ball. It doesn't matter where I'm standing. The ball just seems to find me. My teammates gave me a glove and put me way out in left field. I didn't complain. I just wanted to make sure I knew when gym class ended so I wouldn't be left behind. Nothing happened the first 3 innings. Well, things happened, but not in my little part of the softball field. I started daydreaming. The next thing I knew, I heard the sound of a ball whizzing through the air. And an amazing thing happened. I caught the ball in my glove. Not only did I catch the ball, but I helped my team to win. I was a hero to my classmates for the rest of the day. And I learned something. I may not always see the flying balls that come my way, but I can always take a chance and try to catch one.